Unbox my new MacBook Pro with me. The reason why I got this is because my other computer was running really low on storage, and because I do social media and I'm also in my first year of nursing, I just really needed an upgrade. This is such an I made it moment. Let's open it. This part is so satisfying. Oh. Okay, so here it is out of the box. Look how slick it looks. Here's the charger that it comes with. And then here's the block. I forgot to open. Look at the new cable. And then here's all of the instructions and then those Apple stickers. Let's open it. Well, hello. I got this pink case off Amazon, so I'm gonna put that on right now. Oh, and then it also came with this little keyboard cover. What the heck? Okay, this is literally talking to me right now. Anyway, this is what it looks like. I'm gonna go set it up right now. Honestly, without you guys, this wouldn't have never been possible, and I'm so grateful. I love you guys so much.